Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing any case or magnetic mount that might block the lens, and then look closely for smudges or hairline scratches. Once done, gently clean the glass with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl 70% if needed, and restart the phone to clear stray processes. Make sure iOS and the camera app are up to date so you have the latest image processing fixes, and enable high-efficiency or standard formats to ensure optimal file handling. You now dive into settings, set the desired resolution and frame rate, and choose HEIF/HEVC or JPEG depending on compatibility. Then toggle Smart HDR, Night Mode, and Lens Correction one at a time to isolate which feature affects quality. Once toggled, test by shooting the same subject in consistent light while switching lenses and distances. If results are still off, install a trusted third-party camera app to confirm whether the issue is hardware or the native software pipeline. You finish by performing resets. Start with camera settings, and if that fails, reset all settings. This clears misconfigurations without erasing data. After resets, test again, and if the problem persists, back up and perform an iOS restore to remove deeper software corruption. Finally, if images remain blurred, warped, or show sensor artifacts, arrange inspection with Apple support or an authorized technician, because those symptoms usually indicate hardware damage requiring repair or module replacement. One tip: keep test shots to prove the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.